Prior to the workshop week, participants should watch and review pre-recorded presentations and posters before the start of the workshop week. They can also leave comments and questions via the website for any presentation or poster for viewing by 9 September and can be accessed by participants via their participant access link available after they have registered. The registration deadline is 14th of September. On the 26th of September is the introductory plenary session webinar. This is the opening plenary session that constitutes day one, with keynote speakers organized by the steering committee and explanation of the following days of the workshop. The webinar will be run on the Zoom platform and will be accessible to participants via the workshop webpage and through their participant access link. From the 27th to the 28th of September are 2 days of online interactive poster sessions using the GatherTown platform, where participants can access the platform and go around with their avatar to view and discuss the posters and summary posters of presentations that has been uploaded by authors. Access to the GatherTown platform will be via the workshop webpage, the participant access link. Practice sessions on the GatherTown platform have been arranged for 20 and 22 of September. They will be from 9 to 10, 12 to 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and 4 to 5 o'clock in the afternoon UTC+2, and will be accessed via the participant access link. From the 29th to the 30th of September, these are 2 days of online parallel meetings for the 9 topics covered by the workshop. Each topic area will meet on each day for 2 hours, with topic chairs and reporters acting as meeting facilitators, with the goal of drafting and discussing issues and recommendations on requirements for measurements and metrology for each topic. On September 30 will be the plenary webinar summary of the recommendations. The final session will be a session to present summaries of recommendations from all topics in the 2 themes to the workshop participants and request questions and discussion in a plenary session. The topic chairs and reporters from each topic will provide short summary presentations of the recommendations from their topic discussions, which will be open to questions. The webinar will be run on the Zoom meeting platform and will be accessible to participants via the workshop webpage and through their participant access link. Following the workshop week, a written report of the issues discussed in the topic sessions and recommendations will be included in the final report of the workshop, with a target date of 14th of October for producing the first draft.